1. The new normal. When job titles don't match the job. It is the year 2025, and our workplaces are transforming at a startling pace. A product manager, once reliant on engineering teams for every line of code, now uses a generative AI assistant to build a functional React prototype over a long lunch. A marketing coordinator, who used to spend weeks briefing and waiting on a creative agency, now generates stunning campaign art using Midjourney in a matter of hours. A sales director, previously dependent on a data analytics team for quarterly reports, can now query a massive customer database directly using natural language, getting insights in minutes. These are not futuristic fantasies, they are everyday realities. This newfound capability promises incredible speed and agility. It allows individuals to bypass traditional bottlenecks and deliver results faster than ever before. But beneath this shiny surface of efficiency, a new kind of friction is quietly building, creating tension and confusion within teams. This rapid shift in capabilities is creating a quiet crisis in our organizations. The lines that once clearly defined our roles are becoming increasingly blurred. When anyone can generate code, design visuals, or analyze data, fundamental questions arise that challenge the very structure of our teams. Who truly owns a specific piece of work now? If a sales manager creates a data report, is it the same quality as one from a trained analyst? Who is responsible for checking it for errors? And when a project succeeds, who deserves the credit for the work done? These questions are not merely academic. They are causing real-world stress and conflict. The very definition of a role is being stretched and broken by the power of accessible AI, leaving leaders and employees struggling to navigate the new landscape. The job title on an employee's business card or email signature remains the same, but the actual day-to-day work they perform is changing dramatically. This subtle but profound evolution is what we call AI-driven role conflict. It is a state where the expectations of a formal role clash with the expanded capabilities that AI tools provide. The allure of AI is its promise of immediate results. This speed, however, is a double-edged sword. When used wisely, it drives innovation and efficiency. Consider a sales team preparing for a major client pitch. Instead of waiting days for marketing to make custom slides, a sales executive uses an AI tool to generate on-brand drafts in under an hour. The team spends more time refining strategy and messaging, rather than waiting on creative assets. A sketch quickly polished by a design specialist. This workflow accelerates the process while leveraging expert knowledge for the final touches. Imagine a junior product manager under a tight deadline. Under pressure, they use an AI code generator for payment software. They test it superficially, it seems to work, and they push it into production. They skip the mandatory security review. A week later, a critical vulnerability is found, exposing customer financial data. The time saved becomes a catastrophic failure that costs far more to fix. To harness the power of AI without succumbing to chaos, leaders must proactively reshape their organization's operating model. The first step is to establish transparent reskilling pathways. Create a simple, practical skill map that clarifies tasks appropriate for generalists using AI and tasks that must stay with specialists. Offer short, targeted workshops and pair employees with mentors. Second, evolve how you evaluate and reward performance with impact reports and peer reviews from specialists and generalists. Third, establish clear collaboration protocols with a draft-refined workflow and checklists for legal or brand reviews. Hold regular AI office hours. Specialists available to guide generalists. Fourth, create small, cross-functional AI pods to prototype and learn. Rotate members to develop broader understanding and break down silos. Fixing broken roles is not just a short-term project. It is about fundamentally rewiring the psychological contract. Leaders must communicate openly, explain how roles evolve, and provide time and resources to adapt. When leaders provide clear guardrails, invest in learning, and create fair systems of reward, they can resolve AI-driven role conflict and enable their organization to win together in this new era.